Generating the same AI character across multiple shots often creates a shapeshifter, but it is possible to maintain a visually stable character across every cut. To achieve this, we follow a 5-step workflow designed to lock in a character's identity using Google Flow and the Veo 3.1 video model. Mastering these specific protocols allows a creator to move past random experiments and begin producing structured narrative content. Step 1 is generating your base image. You must generate this character against a plain, neutral background. When creating this image, avoid the common mistake of requesting glossy, highly polished lighting. This often results in an artificial, plastic-looking face. Instead, explicitly prompt the model for dim, cinematic, matte lighting. Matte lighting helps preserve human realism. It provides a neutral baseline that prevents the character from looking out of place when they are moved into new environments with different lighting conditions. By starting with a clean, matte foundation, the AI can learn the subject's true facial geometry without interference from the surrounding environment. Step 2. A single portrait image doesn't provide enough data for consistent video motion. Without more information, the AI is forced to guess what the back or side of the character's head looks like when they move. To solve this, upload your base image as a reference and prompt the AI to generate a character contact sheet. Request specific angles for this sheet: a front view, a back view, a side profile, and a facial close-up. This multi-angle sheet serves as a visual reference map for the AI. Providing these diverse perspectives removes the ambiguity that causes facial drifting, as the model now understands the character's geometry from every side. Step 3 takes us into the Google Flow interface. Open a new project and locate the Ingredients drawer. Import both your base image and contact sheet into this drawer. You can also add clothing descriptions or record a custom voice. Step 4, go to the main prompt box and describe a new environment, like a neon cyberpunk street. To pull your saved character into this scene, type the @ symbol in the prompt box and select them from the list. Organizing your assets this way allows you to place a complex character into any environment with a single keystroke. Step 5 is the final generation. Switch the generation type toggle from image to video. Select the Veo 3.1 model and choose the Ingredients to Video option from the menu. Note that there is another option called Frames to Video. Do not use that for this workflow. Frames forces the AI to use your reference grid as the literal first frame of the clip, which will ruin the composition of the shot. Ingredients treats the reference sheet as a set of visual guidelines. This keeps the identity consistent while allowing the AI to generate new motion. This choice ensures the character's physical identity stays locked, even when the motion becomes complex. The result is clear. The character remains visually consistent as they move through a city street, a cafe, and a jungle. The facial structure, clothing, and hair remain stable across each transition. You now have a reusable, locked-in asset that can be used throughout an entire project. Mastering these consistency protocols transforms AI video generation from a series of random attempts into a reliable tool for precision filmmaking. Now that your character is stable, you can begin building your story. Watch our next tutorial to learn how to sequence these clips using Flow's Scene Builder.